Hi, welcome back to the Tracking Success channel, and in this video I will give you a tip on how to boost all your blog posts on your page at once. The short answer is show more blog posts on your main blog page. This is my main blog page. I only show 10 and I use what's called Pagination. This means they might only show about 9 or 10 posts on a page. So when you write more and more blog posts like I did, the older ones get pushed to the next pages like 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, etc. The problem with this is that the older posts get harder to find because they move more away from your page. It's exactly, this is page 10, so it moves far away from the original blog page. So how can you fix this? It's simple. Show more blog posts on your main blog page. If you use a system like WordPress, like I do, it's very simple. Just go to edit page. I don't use the Elementor editor. What I need to do is just go to the customizer. I use the Blocksy theme, by the way. Then I just click on edit. The column has to be the same, number of posts, let's say 500, and turn off pagination, publish, and we'll wait, it's published. Go back, and as you can see, all the blog posts are being seen on the blog page. And if there is a blog post, like a quick tip, if there's a blog post very important to you with higher rankings, you can put a link of that one right in your footer.